Welcome to our video, where we're going to explain one of the most important tools in network security, the firewall. By the end, you'll understand how firewalls work, the different types, and real-world examples of how they protect networks. So, let's dive in. A firewall is an essential security tool that helps protect networks from unauthorized access and potential threats. Imagine it as a security guard at the gate of a building, deciding who can enter and who must stay out. In simple terms, a firewall monitors and controls the incoming and outgoing traffic based on a set of security rules. Without it, your network would be vulnerable to hackers, malware, and other cyber threats that could compromise your data or disrupt your services. Firewalls work by inspecting the data packets trying to enter or leave your network. Each packet carries details about the data, like where it's coming from and where it's going. The firewall checks these details against its security rules, and if the packet is allowed, it's let through. If not, it's blocked. There are different types of firewalls, each designed for specific needs. A packet filtering firewall is the most basic type. It checks each packet's headers, like the sender's address, and allows or blocks the packet based on pre-configured rules. Stateful firewalls are a bit more advanced, as they remember the state of active connections, allowing data to flow more efficiently while still keeping the network secure. Proxy firewalls sit between your network and the internet, acting as an intermediary. They make requests on your behalf, hiding your identity and adding an extra layer of security. The most advanced option is the next-generation firewall. NGFWs combine traditional firewall features with intrusion detection, application-level filtering, and deep packet inspection to block sophisticated threats. Firewalls are used in a variety of real-world scenarios. At home, a basic packet filtering firewall helps keep unwanted traffic out and protect your personal data. In businesses, firewalls secure sensitive data, applications, and networks from external threats. Companies often use stateful or NGFW firewalls to manage more complex security needs. In the cloud, firewalls are vital for protecting data and applications, ensuring that only legitimate traffic gets through. Regardless of the environment, firewalls are the first line of defense, helping to secure our digital lives. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on tech and networking. See you next time.